Dear students, how are you? Hope you are very well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. By the way, today I am going to take another class on transformation of sentences. And our today's topic is superlative into comparative. Okay, you know that degrees of three kinds: positive, comparative and superlative. So today I will discuss from superlative into comparative. Okay. Now let us start our today's class. Number 1, what we see? There is an example here, please notice. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. If we find only the and the superlative form of adjective, okay. If we find only the and superlative form of adjective, then at the time of turning into comparative, there will be no sense of subject and verb. There will be no sense of subject and verb. Okay, Dhaka is the subject and here is the be verb is. So there is no sense. Then you have to turn the superlative form into comparative form. You have to change the adjective from superlative into comparative. Then you have to add then any other. This is the rule. Then any other. And then the rest of the part of the sentence. Okay. Please notice the example. And you have to abolish, you have to cut out the article the. Okay? Please notice the example. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. The answer is Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. Okay? So, you have to notice very carefully, you have to remember the rule very carefully. If we find only the and adjective form, the superlative form of adjective, then you have to change the degree. You have to change the superlative into comparative in this way. That is, you have to use then any other. Okay, dear students, I am going to the next number. Number 2. Here we see one of the. If we find one of the, this is the noticeable thing. If you find the word one of the in superlative form, then at the time of turning into comparative form, you have to be very carefully notice that there is no sense of subject and verb. There is no sense of subject and verb. Then you have to change the adjective into comparative. And you have to write then most other. Okay? If we find one of the, then we have to use then most other. Then the rest of the parts of the sentence. Okay. Please notice the example. Fahim is one of the tallest boys in the class. Here we find the word one of the. Then I have written Fahim is, there is no sense of subject and verb. Then I have turned the tallest into taller. Then I have used then most other. Then the rest of the parts of the sentence. Okay? So please remember that if we find one of the in any superlative degree, then you have to use then most other. Okay? Dear students, now I am going to the number 3. Okay, please notice. Here we see Akbar was the greatest of all kings in India. Okay, this is the noticeable thing. If we find of all in any superlative degree, please notice the example. If we find the word of all in any superlative degree, then you have to use then all other. Okay, you have to use then all other. Okay, we should discuss the example. Akbar was the greatest of all kings of India. Okay, there is no sense of subject and verb. Naturally, there is no sense of subject and verb. Then we have to abolish the word the. Then the sense of adjective from greatest to greater. And then we have used all other instead of the word of all. Okay. Then the rest of the parts of the sentence. Okay. Kings in India. So, dear students, you have to remember that if we find of all in any superlative degree, we have to use then all other at the time of turning into comparative form. Okay? Dear students, I am going to the last number of our today's discussion. Okay. Here is the noticeable thing is of any. of any. If we find any of any in any superlative form, okay, please notice the example of any, then we have to use then any other. We have to use then any other. Okay. It burns the prettiest of any wood. It burns the prettiest of any wood. So here we find of any in superlative form. Then we have to turn into comparative. Okay. It burns. There is no sense of subject and verb. There is no sense of subject and verb. Then there is no use of the. And we have to turn the adjective into comparative form. PTR. Pretty, prettiest, PTR. Okay. Then we have to use then any other instead of any. Okay. Then the rest of the parts of the sentence. Okay. Dear students, these are the 4 rules of from superlative into comparative. You have to be very serious at the time of learning, at the time of changing from superlative to comparative. I think that if you follow these 4 rules, there will be no problem in superlative from comparative. Okay? So dear students, I have come at the end of my today's class. See you again in my next class. Assalamu alaikum.